Wonderboy in Monsterland has an OG score of 27,500 and nothing in emulation. It's a population score again. That brings back childhood memories. Hey, brave man, listen carefully. The country's fate depends on you. Your mission is to destroy the vicious dragon and restore peace. Take the sword and medicine. Cocktail or beer? Nothing. Please come again. I will. Really appreciate the offer, though. Time for the devil. Oh, almost had an infinite. Go fucking infinite. Okay, now he has a chunk hitbox. There we go. Oh, yes. You know what? I don't want to kill it where I cannot reach a coin. There we go. Nice. Okay, no hidden coins here. Enter. Oh, the best part is, look at the name of the sword. It's called Gradius. There you go. Weeby, welcome back. Leather boots or cloth boots? I think... oh wait, I think the shield is the better option if we can get it. Where's the shield though? No. I think he might be the shield guy, right? Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. The wind spouts were useful, but I think we do without. Come on. Oh! Oh? I leave that behind, it's all good. Alright, a vampire lord. What? Oh yeah, well you lost HP? But for what reason? Fucking vampire lord. Now we have a better sword. Thank you, Vampire Lord. Oh no, come on. That's the worst. There we go. And... To be honest, we're gonna take the leather boots now. Ah, we don't need Q. We're good, thank you. Okay, there is a platform which will take us over apparently. That I didn't know. Oh, we take him. Let me tell you what, I think the cure is now a good idea. The cure is now a good idea. Thank you. He doesn't even offer up something. Yeah, but how about the moving platform? There we go. Yes, sir. Lol, to gold get. Hey, what's good? Super Dan coming through. I mean, if people feel it, we could play yet another Wheel of Fortune game on stream. I would invite anyone to play if they want via chat. So that I can offer, of course. We have to do something. No, I didn't get the jump. Ah, this game is so laggy. I do have to do some more scores, but I'd be up. Oh yeah, this one I remember faintly. Isn't this now like the blue-looking dragon boss? And also I think there are coins hidden somewhere in the flowers, right? How are you doing, Super Dan? Weekend? Something to look forward to? Too hungover? You've been out or just from chilling at home? Lurk it all up. Thank you for coming in. Appreciate it. We need to do this anyway. Probably the key. Oh, I remember them. The bone throwers, huh? Been so long. I'm looking forward to trying to find my car from all... Oh, that sounds fun, yeah. Is it that much snow for you guys? Oh, come on. I just said no. What is the issue? Come on. Come on. Thank you kindly, though. Really appreciate you trying to get a drink this early in the morning. Bruh. That's a very typical thing, huh? True, you can just unlock him, basically. Oh, we got fireballs now. Alright. We didn't have any snow, sadly, since the first time we had a bit of snow come down. Oh, now they turn around. Oh, come on. I'm playing lazy because I want to be quick, but the game doesn't want you to be quick, so I am messing this up. See? Here, my greed. Okay, I think the first door is the one we take first. But just 2 days to brush your car clean. You had to use a shovel? Fuck. Is that crazy for you guys? What? Oh, he touched me. Damn, 57,000 something was my score. I died. What can you do? But nice. Was a good run for a population score.